Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to change password in Snapchat easiest way. First you have to find the password in your settings, then press it, it's up there. Yeah, here we go. And here you have to write your current password. It's easy, I made this account just for you. And here just add your new password you want to have there. So I decided to make it easy. So write it there. Oh, that's my mistake. I'm sorry. And again, not that good. You have to choose the serious password. Yeah, that's it. Now save. And now your password has been changed. Yep, and that's it. Your password is changed and you can continue. Here you can see that new password is working very well. I did a mistake, so here is a new password. Yeah, we are in. So I hope you enjoy it and good luck.